In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a post in Buffer. First, open Buffer. When it loads, you'll land on the Publish dashboard. This is your home base for planning and managing content. You'll see your queue, a calendar view, and most importantly, your connected social channels. Next, select the social media channel you want to post to. You'll find your channels in the left sidebar under Channels. Click the specific profile or page so you're working in the right place. This ensures your post goes to the correct audience and uses the schedule tied to that channel's time zone. Now click the plus New Post button. This opens the Composer where you'll build your post. Start with your caption. Keep it clear and focused, and make sure any links are complete and easy to read. If you're repurposing content, tailor the tone to match the channel's style. Add your image or video. Choose visuals that fit the platform's preferred dimensions for a clean look in feed. High contrast images and short, engaging video clips tend to perform well. Give the media a moment to process so you can confirm it appears as expected. Include your hashtags. Use ones that are relevant to your topic and audience, and avoid overloading the caption. A handful of targeted hashtags is usually better than a long list. If you're posting to multiple platforms at once in other scenarios, remember that hashtag norms vary by channel, but today we're focusing on a single channel for clarity. Before you schedule, review your post using Preview. This shows you how your caption, line breaks, links, and media will look once it goes live. Check for typos, confirm that the link is clickable, and make sure the image or video isn't getting awkwardly cropped. Now look to the bottom right section of the Composer. This is where your scheduling options live. Click Next Available. Buffer will automatically choose the next suggested posting slot from your posting schedule. These slots come from the schedule you've already set up for this channel, so you don't have to guess the timing. If you maintain a consistent schedule, this helps keep your content cadence steady. Finally, click Schedule Post. Buffer will place your post into the queue at that next available time. You'll see it appear with a timestamp, which is a great moment to double-check everything one last time. If you spot anything you want to refine later, you can always return to your queue and make edits before it publishes. And that's it. Your post is scheduled, aligned with your content plan, and ready to go live at the right time.